Standard 6th, Subject Science, Lesson number 5, Substances in the surroundings, their states and properties. Let's try this. What is sublimation? For this we will need sand, iodine crystal, ammonium chloride, crucible, cotton plug, spirit lamp, funnel and tripod. Let's start an activity. I am taking some sand in crucible. I am putting iodine crystals in the sand. Let's put this crucible on the tripod. Let's keep the glass funnel inverted over this crucible. Block the upper end of the funnel with a cotton plug. Let's light the spirit lamp. Heat the mixture in the crucible. Let's observe what happens to iodine due to heat. As iodine heats up, you can see purple vapor slowly accumulating in the funnel. Now let's stop giving heat and funnel set aside. You will see purple vapors coming out of the crucible. On heating, iodine does not melt and change to a liquid but directly changes to the gaseous states. So, iodine is a sublimentary substance. There is only sand left in the crucible because sand is not sublimentary substance. Let's see another example. I am taking some sand in a crucible and putting ammonium chloride in the sand. Funnel is placed inverted over the crucible. Block the stem of the funnel with a cotton plug. The crucible has started to heat up. You can clearly see that the mixture in the crucible is clearly visible from the funnel. Let's observe what happens to ammonium chloride to heat. As ammonium chloride heats up, you can see white vapors slowly accumulating in the funnel. Funnel is set aside from the crucible. You can see on heating, ammonium chloride does not melt and change to a liquid but directly changes to a gaseous state. So, ammonium chloride is a sublimentary substance. There is only sand left in the crucible because sand is not sublimentary substance. Some examples of sublimentary substances: camphor, naphthalene balls, iodine, ammonium chloride means Navsagar. What do we learn from this? The change of a solid substances directly into a gas or a vapor without first changing into liquid is called sublimation. Thank you.